Ta-da! What it do? Here, back at it again. Another mukbang food eating challenge. Look at that mass of tuna pasta salad. And that's not even the only. That's not even the only bag. Okay, it's a good. Let me see. I haven't been in the gym in a minute, so man, how I usually do. I usually do like the 15s on the side. But I got the little hand weights too, 3 pound hand weights. That's heavier than that. That's heavier than 3 pounds. Okay, so we're gonna eat more than 3 pounds of tuna pasta salad. Mm. And then start with a little quick breakdown because it's gonna try to put a little time element to it. Um, for the aspect of the challenge, part food challenge. Um, right, so just looking at it, I haven't had a taste yet. I believe I tried this before. It's a family gathering tradition. Um, so we got spiral pasta noodles. Almost looks like macaroni, but it's got a little spiral to it. So call it spiral pasta noodles. We got some multi variety of peppers, diced peppers. You got some red, green. No, it's not green. That's a pea. You got some red, some orange, some yellow. Very no, it looks like a whole hunk of noodles, but you can see in there some of the vibrance, some of that. Oh yeah, there you go, the yellow. Yeah, yeah. And then we got some peas in there too. So just mistakenly called it a green pepper. Those are peas. Um, like a plethora of peas in a pasta. You know what I'm saying? Um, and some nice grated chunky cheese. Of course, the sauce, mayonnaise, how you make pasta salad, mayonnaise, seasoning, pepper. And there is some seasoning controversy in our family. And get into that perhaps a later video, in which we do some comparison. But for right now, let's just leave it at some mayonnaise and seasoning. And all right, let's get into it. 3+ pounds of tuna pasta salad. With the silverware. What's up? I'm not gonna be lying to you. This would be very easy. This is good stuff right here. This is some gross food. Oh, tuna. Like no, it's not that at all. It's delicious. So I ain't gonna lie. I got a little. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna be very easy of a challenge if it's just okay. Eating the 3+ pounds of it's a lot of food. It's gonna be sitting about stuff, but okay, uh, it's not gonna be difficult. So I'm putting a time element to it. Okay, I'm one bite in, coming up on the 5 minute mark. So once we're at that 5 minutes, let's put it at okay, 3 pound, 3+ pounds. Let's put it at 6 minutes to um, finish the bag of food. So count down. We got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. Tastes like chicken. Like chicken that came out of water.
Someone was detected at your back door. Someone was detected at your back door.
There's some of those black balls up there in the top, or those glass balls.
Alright, so coming up on 1 minute. Not gonna get to alright. Not gonna eat the 3 pound, 3+ pounds. But we'll do it before and after. It's about right at half. So started right below the top. I was sitting there making the faces and what have you, to the point of not being locked in on the challenge. So I'll put this away, fridge, probably put it with the fork in it, let people know, I've been scooping out of there. Yeah, we're gonna need some practice before we get into the competitive eating, what have you. But I realized working through that challenge, we got bread to go through. So before I get into the mukbang, going live eating challenge, let's work with the bread first, okay? So yeah, lesson learned. All right, I'll catch y'all later.